Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use one-time voice messages in WhatsApp. This fantastic feature allows you to send audio that vanishes after the recipient listens to it just one time, adding an extra layer of privacy to your conversations. It's perfect for sharing sensitive details or planning surprises without leaving a permanent digital footprint. Plus, all your messages, including these, are secured with end-to-end encryption by default, giving you peace of mind. To begin, simply open the chat where you wish to send your private voice message. Instead of holding down the microphone icon, give it a quick tap to start recording. Then, swipe your finger upwards to lock the recording in hands-free mode. This allows you to speak freely without continuously pressing the button, making the recording process much more convenient and smooth for you. As you record your voice message, keep an eye out for a special icon that looks like the number 1 inside a circle. This is your View Once button. Tapping this icon will activate the feature, and you'll notice it changes color, typically turning green, to confirm that your message is now set to disappear after a single listen. This simple tap ensures your audio remains private. Once you have finished recording and activated the View Once feature, simply tap the Send button to deliver your voice message. The recipient will then be able to listen to your audio a single time. After they have played it, the message will automatically disappear from the chat, ensuring your shared information remains private and is not stored permanently on their device.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.